How solar panels work. First, sunlight hit the solar panels. Photon light particles from the sun hit the solar panels, usually made of photovoltaic or PV cells. The PV cells are typically made of silicon and are responsible for converting sunlight into electricity. Step 2. Generation of direct current or DC electricity. When sunlight hit the PV cells, it knocked electrons loose in the silicon atoms. This movement of electrons create direct current to DC electricity. Step 3. Inverter convert DC to AC. Most home and business use alternating current AC electricity. A solar inverter or microinverter converts the DC electricity from the panels into AC electricity. Inverter converts DC to AC. Most home and business use alternating current AC electricity. So nakikita nyo naman dyan, sineset up ko na yung solar para mainitan siya sa bubong at para makapag-charge. Hinahayaan lang namin yan hanggang sa maghapon at para ma-full charge ang kanyang ilaw. So, ilang oras lang ay magbubukas na rin yan pagdating ng hapon. Time check, alas 5 na ng hapon. Ayan, malakas na yung ilaw kasi sobrang init kanina at full charge na siya. Save our planet!